Hey, what's up, AXS Infinity? AXS Infinity, this time the AXS Infinity price is increasing, but my friend, you know, especially in last 24 hour, minus 2.29%, they will fails down. Absolutely, my friend, everybody know this too. After a jump, they will dump. So therefore, I will notify my friends to don't see. But as you can see, my friend, here as my friend, you can see here PB full back, my friend. As you can see here, the first full back is here, and the second fullback is here. So these two fullback, if we combine, so that's clearly told you, my friends, too, the direction is moving and downward, and definitely the resistance line, absolutely they already hit now. So if a coin will downward, my friend, as you can see here from resistance line, so they are completely on the loss now, and this triangle is clearly told you, my friends. So this time in last 24 hour they are lost. So definitely you can see here minus 2.29% they are lost. So what's the price prediction, my friends? Can of coming time can there is a chance to they will give you a profit or not? Everything we will go on to discuss you, but please, if you are new my channel, first of all subscribe ABS Trick channel for more this type urgent update and price prediction videos, and please also, my friend, press the bell icon for videos notification, and don't forget to like. Just and only complete 100 likes on this video. Hope you just done it, my friend, please. Alright, my brother, AXS Infinity price prediction. I already predicted this coin, but I am going to again predict this coin to you will understand better now, my friend. So if we check out, my friend, the last 7 days chart, so in last 7 days, as you can see here, minus 3.78% they are lost. But as you can see, my friend, absolutely we after this chart which I draw you, absolutely you will better understand to upcoming time can there is a chance to they will move upward or not. So definitely, my friend, everybody know this too. You can see here, my friend, this time they were fails down, so therefore I don't know to when they will starting again moving upward. But when they were starting, absolutely they will dumps down. So after this dump, absolutely they will take a jump. So therefore I will notify you to in after this bad time, absolutely good time is coming soon now. So AXS Infinity, my prediction is going positive. I hope to after this dump they will also pumps up. So please hold it now. I hope, my friend, at the end of month they will give you a very good profit. So thanks for watching AXS Infinity. Please remember to subscribe this channel and also like the video. I hope you will like our YouTube channel, and please press the bell icon. Subscribe our YouTube channel and please press the bell icon for videos notification.